Welcome to MAXCENTER and RE. This is going to be the first video in the series of once you join RE from RE/MAX Corporate to set up your MAXCENTER account. This will include setting up an email, so it'll be usually your name at remax.net. That's going to be your login password to get into your MAXCENTER account, which is the RE/MAX intranet. All of your tools for RE/MAX will be right inside of here. So once you log in, you'll see your award progress as far as the levels, any referrals you've done, any courses you're enrolled in will be right here. And of course, you have your apps. I favorite the apps that I like to be on top, but you can always click on all apps to see everything. So you have your global referrals. You should go in there, set up your profile. This is RE/MAX University. Tons and tons of courses available and mini learning sessions, videos, everything, all the live classes, everything will be right there inside RE/MAX University. Here is your video and social. This is going to be remaxhustle.com, where you can create your own videos. You can customize the RE/MAX commercials, all of those fun things. Lots of different videos, including different sizes for YouTube, for Reels, for social. RE/MAX URL shortener. This is an awesome tool to be able to take any of those long links and create them in a shorter link. So it'll be rem.ax/custom link, and you can customize those. And you have tracking. So these are great, and they provide a QR code if you want one. So lots of great stuff. Marketing portal, that's going to be all of your logos, all of everything, social media, tons and tons and tons of goodies. So make sure to check out that video. Miracle system, depending on how your office has it set up, you can create your honor cards after one of your closings, anything like that, to be able to do your donations and everything for Children's Miracle Network hospitals. kvCORE platform, the Max Tech. Click on there. That's going to take you straight to your dashboard. RE/MAX News, that's going to be just kind of a blog. Anything going on with RE/MAX, it'll be right there in your news. EDR Travel, if you do a lot of traveling, they do help a lot, where you just let them know what's going on. They handle everything for you. I have used them on a multiple tour trip where I had no idea I was going to be using these kind of smaller companies to get where I want to go. I used EDR Travel. They made it seamless for me. The agent office portal, this is going to be more on a broker level to be able to manage your agents and teams. Tech news, that's any news that's going on, RE/MAX Tech, all of those fun things. Customer support, anything that you need to do, whether you email, you can use the chat button, you can call, you can text. Here's all the information there. Luxury, if you're a luxury agent, you'll definitely want to check out all of these resources. Same with commercial. RE/MAX referrals, make sure to watch that video, how to search, how to find agents, how to easily fill out the form. That has all of your information, all of the agent you choose, and it saves everything right here to make it super easy to follow up, track, all of that fun stuff. Zoom, you do get a discount if you want to join Zoom through RE/MAX. Idea portal, this is great. If one of the products does not have something you think it should have, go right in here, submit your idea. Photofy is a subscription. It has a lot of great on-the-go marketing, has tons of RE/MAX pre-done content for you, all the stickers and then some. So really great to check that out. RE/MAX Marketplace, all of your approved suppliers. So make sure to check out if you're looking for signs, for apparel, for anything, go right in here. They're going to have all of the different places. Awards, this will be an annual thing. Maybe you want to get glass awards without going to R4. You can purchase all of those fun glass trophies and many more things right there and there. And that is your RE/MAX just inside of MAXCENTER, going over the apps. But you can also make sure to favorite, so that way you can always click through here. dashboard, going into your profile, which will be another video, updating your profile, checking out all your referrals, anything like that, paying your bills. Let's see here, resources, other quick actions versus clicking on the all apps, find and refer. This is where you can search for agents, see all the forms that you have submitted, anything like that. Going down here is going to be just some good news, anything that's going on, all right in here, events, all that kind of fun stuff. Same here, events. So it's almost like a little calendar. It'll have tons of different classes that are upcoming events, anything like that. So make sure to check all of those if you're looking for more classes. And then in the know. So this is just little news, anything that's going on. We have new templates that came out, the new yard signs that were announced, of course, Remax Universe R4 every year. So this is always changing, just kind of based on the news. So that is just a quick overview of MAXCENTER. Make sure to check out the next video, which will be going over your profile. Hope this helps.